emergency lighting
emergency
masterclass. Duration
lighting.
of
We shall
emergency
now look
lighting
at
system.
points
So
of
we now
emphasis
define what duration is. The
when you're
duration is also
designing
called
an
the
emergency
autonomy
lighting
of the
installation.
system. And this is how
The
long
number
the
one
battery
point
pack
of emphasis
lasts
is near staircase.
when
So each thread should receive
when there's a
direct
mains
light
failure.
from the installed emergency
How long the
luminaire,
battery pack
so that the
within
minimum
the luminaire
luminance on
will
each
last
stair
when there's a
thread
mains failure.
is 1 lux. So
Duration can either
the
be
number one area,
1 hour
one of the
or
areas
3
where
hours.
you need to emphasize is the stair thread.
Duration can either be 1 hour.
The
or
next
3 hours.
area
So
is outside.
the question now is,
and
what
near
should we consider
each final exit door?
before
If there's a final exit door
specify
in
either
in
a 1
building,
hour
then
or
you need to
3 hour
provide
duration? What are the considerations?
emergency
We need to
light
consider
both
the size of the
inside and
building.
outside. The emergency light
Consider
inside will have
the
a signage,
complexity of the building.
and the outside will just be
We
a
also need to
bulkhead or
consider that
maybe a
people will
converted
be walking
luminaire.
through the building. They won't be running
Next
through the
area
building.
is near changes in direction.
They'll be walking as
Steps
when
and other
there's a mains
changes
failure and the
of
low level of lighting
levels
is provided.
should receive
People
direct
evacuating the
light
building will
from an
be evacuating at a
emergency
walking
luminaire.
pace, not running.
So where there is a
running
change in
pace.
direction,
We also need to consider
or where
the safety
there is a
operation that
change in
needs to be
level,
carried out.
then
So
you've
if
got
it's
to
a plant
provide
room,
emergency
you need to read an
lighting.
instruction before you
Near
operate
each
the control and shut
first
down the
aid
system.
point.
What is the
So if
duration
you've got
of
a
that
first aid point within a building,
exercise, that
or you've
process,
got
that operation,
emergency
that also needs to be
safety
considered.
signage within
Also,
a
when
building,
you're specifying the
you've got to
duration time,
provide
you are
emergency
not
light
only
to illuminate
considering
that
the
signage
evacuation
or
time,
that the first aid
you are also
box.
considering the
This is a
reoccupation
requirement
time.
included in
So when
BS
there is a failure,
5266 Part
and the
7
battery kicks in,
1999 Clause 4. All types
then
of first aid
after
posts, including
people will want to come into the
first
building, the
aid
battery
rooms,
needs to be fully
to
charged
be
before
illuminated
the
to
building
a
is
level
occupied.
of 5 lux.
That
So
needs
5
to be
lux
considered.
is the
As
required
I mentioned, there are two durations:
level
1 hour duration and 3 hours. The question
in
is,
a room,
where
in
is a 3 hour
in
duration
a first aid
required,
room or to a
and
first
where
aid sign.
is a 1 hour required?
Safety signs.
3 hour duration
Next
is
point of
required
emphasis
where
is
immediate
safety
evacuation
signs.
is
So
not required.
emergency light,
People
emergency
can stay in the
lighting
building for a
luminaires.
little while
You should
and
direct
then
it
they
to
start
each
evacuating.
escape
Typically,
sign
yeah,
and safety sign.
in a sleeping
For
accommodation
external
where there's
illuminator
sleeping
sign,
risks, such as hotels,
a luminaire
student
should be within
accommodation,
2
hostel.
meters of
These
the
are the
sign.
areas where you will
Any
find
further than 2 meters away
3 hour
will
duration
be
or even
unlikely to
healthcare
illuminate the
facility.
sign. You
Immediate
need to have
evacuation is not
if you have
required.
a signage and
Also,
a safety
in
sign,
licensed
you must
premises
have
such as bars,
an emergency luminaire fitted
pubs where alcohol is
within
served,
2 meters from that sign.
you need
Change in
3 hour
direction is
duration.
another
in
area
these
we need to
places.
emphasize.
Places of entertainment,
Emergency lighting luminaires should
you need
be
3 hour
installed
duration,
near
such as
each
stadiums,
change in direction,
or
as well as near
sports
each
hall,
intersection
shopping
of
mall,
corridors,
maybe a
or
dance studio and things like
escape
that.
sign.
You need a 3 hour duration.
Emergency. So
1 hour
that's the change in
duration is
direction. You need to
required
have an emergency
where
light
the
emphasizing
premises
that change
must
in
be
direction. So if you've got
evacuated
like a T
immediately.
junction
If
or
not, the battery will discharge.
cross junction,
Because you know that the
you
1
need to
hour
provide an
duration,
emergency light
you've got to
to
get the people
emphasize
out
that
before
area.
the 1 hour duration
Then
elapse.
exit
So
doors.
you use the
You
1
must
hour
have
where
an emergency luminaire
immediate
shall be
evacuation is
installed
required.
near exit doors
But
to provide appropriate illuminance near the door
when you're doing a design
and
or
at the
a
threshold.
design,
However, to provide a
it
1
is
lux,
customary to just use
on the center line,
one,
the luminaire
maybe 3 hour duration
may
for a
need
project.
to be closer than 2
This is
meters
because
suggested in the drawing.
you don't want
So
to
you need
avoid
to have,
confusion,
even though you've got your
having different types
illuminated
of
signage
duration within the building.
on above the door, you'll also need
Because
to provide
let's
light,
say for instance, the
emergency
building
light,
might
to
require
show the door
1 hour duration, but
at
there
the
are some
threshold,
high risk
possibly
areas
within
that will require 3
2
hour
meters
duration.
of that door.
Instead of having
illumination.
different
These are
types
the
of products within a
couple of
building,
areas of emphasis that
it's
we
customary
need
to
to
just use
consider
one.
when we're
cost
locating
implication
our
is negligible.
emergency luminaires.
So 3-hour duration is typically used. Also, if you want an immediate reoccupation for a 1-hour duration building, it is better you use a 3-hour battery pack. It's better you use a 3-hour battery pack. The reason being that after 1 hour, after the building is evacuated, as long as there is 1 hour duration left, the building can be reoccupied immediately. Whereas if you use a 1 hour duration for a 1 hour building, you need to allow the system to recharge fully before the occupants come back into the premises. And this might take about 24 hours. So where immediate reoccupation is required, then a 3-hour duration is used, as long as the battery charge left within the charge left within the battery comply with the regulation. So now we'll now look into the recommended duration for various types of property, various types of premises. Because how do you know? So that you carry out a risk assessment, or you look at what the standard recommends. So for an industrial building, industrial premises, for a public access non-residential building and a non-residential care, you will need 1 hour duration. Let me say it again: industrial building, public access non-residential building, and non-residential care. You need 1 hour. Where 3 hours is 3-hour duration is required includes multi-story dwelling over 10 stories, residential care, residential special care, premises with sleeping risk such as hotels, hostels, and entertainment premises such as which includes like I said, dance studio, maybe shopping malls, stadiums. They all require 3 hours duration. So this is what the standard requires. These are the duration that the standard requires. But like I said before, you need a risk assessment, which is usually carried out by the fire engineer or specifying the fire report the duration that is required for a building. And typically this is usually 3 hours to make it all uniform.